What's up, yo? I ain't really into that investigated stuff. I'm tired of Diddy. I'm tired of all the gossip stuff. So I'ma just stay in my lane. Hey, Thugger, if you get back to this, man, you'll be back on top in no time, Playboy. If y'all rocking with me, hit me in the comments, like, subscribe, and share. Let's go.
Nigga, hustles don't stop, they keep going. You can lose your life, but it gon' keep going. Why not risk life when it's gon' keep going? Yeah, we got somebody else was born, but at least we got to say we ran on the vision, we ran on the money, we ran on the vision, we ran on that money, we ran on the vision, we ran on the money. We ran on the vision, we ran on the money, we ran on the vision, we ran on some money, we ran on some vision, we ran on some money. I'm living like I'm on the fifth of that. I talk about the shit like my bitches look at. Say you know me once on my left one with you. You know it's the power when you bring the game to me. I'm living big, I swear to God, I'm looking at it. Money. Turn up, mama, I'm not hustling. Don't want hell great like grandma. You know my life couldn't get like OJ like damn no. Running, holding, I couldn't control, shouting like channel. My racks are squeaking, I'm not falling, I'm hopping that Rari, I crank on like water. Hustles don't stop, they keep going. You can lose your life, but it gon' keep going. Why not risk life when it's gon' keep going? Know that when you got somebody else was born, but at least we got to say we ran on the vision, we ran on the money, we ran on the vision, we ran on the money, we ran on the vision, we ran on the money. We ran on the vision, we ran on the money, we ran on the vision, we ran on some money, we ran on some vision, we ran on some money. Put me some low like confused. Go in that bitch with a ruler. Fuck me a nigga like Schroeder. Keep a red flag on a ruler. I know some roller faces I could do it. Yeah, I'm screaming out my time like Cooler. When I do it, I feel like I'm full of work. That's time for a dirty baby. Better job was bored. I be getting money on a million for Pandora. I just do this shit when I get bored. Nigga, hustles don't stop, they keep going. You can lose your life, but it gon' keep going. Why not risk life when it's gon' keep going? Yeah, when you got somebody else was born, but at least we got to say we ran on the vision, we ran on the money, we ran on the vision, we ran on that money, we ran on the vision, we ran on the money. We ran on the vision, we ran on the money, we ran on the vision, we ran on some money, we ran on some vision, we ran on some money. We got London on the track.
Hey, yo, if you got something you want to hear, trust me, my crates is real deep. I got some stuff you might have heard. I got a lot of stuff you haven't heard, but it still thumps. And I'm into a bunch of lyrical rappers. I'm into a little bit of everything. Whatever I play, trust me, you gonna like. Like I said, like it, subscribe to it, hit me in the comments and share. I'm out.